We're gathered here today to witness the marriage of two people who have fallen so deeply in love they wish to commit to each other for the rest of their lives.
I can't believe our wedding day is finally here. I am busting at the seams to be your wife and start our lives together and to join your wonderful family.
What a unique path our relationship has taken. Our relationship has grown not through the ease and convenience of daily in-person contact, but through the effort and commitment to talk daily, go on vacations, and travel back and forth between Georgia and DC. Your effort to spend time with me as often as you have, and your continued support, whether near or far, has shown me unconditional love and what that looks like.
You see the value in me, which gives me such peace and takes my breath away. You have given back to me a part of my heart that I lost when I lost my dad. Thank you for seeing me the same way he saw me. I do believe he does know you, and his prayers helped bring you to me.
I am grateful for your understanding and support of my commitment to the Marine Corps. You have embraced it in a way I never imagined a loving partner would. In you, I found a partner that is everything I wanted, and everything I never knew that I needed. You are already surrounded by such a loving family that now embraces me.
You are coming into this marriage with individual personalities and individual histories. You've chosen each other for your new family, and today you are choosing to celebrate what has already begun and will continue to grow for years to come.
You ready? Let's do it. I'm so excited.
I got the car running, so.
I'm ready, sir. Let's do this thing.
Okay.
As your brother, you were my first friend. I'm not sure many people understand what it's like to watch a Barbie show at Disney or get tuna thrown in your face at Animal Kingdom. I think Alyssa thinks she's like Rachel Weisz from The Mummy. And you all probably think of the scene where she knocks over all the bookcases in the library. But there's another innocuous scene where she says, "Look, I may not be an explorer or an adventurer or a treasure seeker or a gunfighter, but I'm proud of what I am." And Alyssa, you should be very proud that you're a good person, a loving mom, and soon to be a wonderful wife.
I'm so happy to see everybody, and I'm so appreciative of you guys coming so far to join us on our special day. There is one person who sadly cannot be here today because he's in heaven, and that's my dad. Obviously, I know that he's here spiritually, but he's also here in me, and my daughter Kira, and in my best friend and brother, Andrew. Andrew, would you come dance with me for Daddy?
This is the gravity of love. Just as the moon follows the sun, you're all around me. You're holding everything. This is the gravity of love. Just as the moon follows the sun, you're all around me. You're holding everything.
Dad would probably say is something like, if you break her heart, I'll kill you. But in reality, what Dad would really say is, you always be my sweet stuff. I am proud of the strong, smart, and caring woman you have become. You have given me a silly and loving granddaughter, who I love dearly. And you have brought me a new son, who I welcome openly into my family. I love you and am with you always.
And with all of these sons, I know I am not alone. This is the gravity of love. Just as the moon follows the sun, you're all around me. You're holding everything. This is the hope of every land. Just as the universe expands, your love is reaching. You're holding everything. This is the gravity of love. Just as the moon follows the sun, you're all around me. You're holding everything.
I, John, take you, Alyssa,
I, Alyssa, take you, John,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
to love and to cherish,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
sickness and in health.
forever and always.
With the power vested in me by the state of Florida, with the commitment you've shown each other today, it is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.